And now you're recording.
So we've got some new toys for the Cultural Things podcast. We're opening in Mark's studio, the Cultural Things studio. So should we have the big box first?
Go for it.
Box?
Yeah, go for the big box.
All right, big box. All right. Mark's got his special scalpel for box opening.
That's right. It's actually a scalpel.
It is a scalpel.
No, I'm kidding.
Well, it's close enough to a scalpel. It's a box scalpel.
Yeah.
Oh, jeez. I'm going to rip my finger off.
Yeah, be careful. It's sharp.
Opening.
Scalpels are supposed to be sharp.
All right, what do we got here? Lots of paper. Oh, look at this. Mark, is this what we've been waiting for?
I think you've been waiting for that for a while.
New RodeCaster 2.
I wonder what the serial number is on this one, because I'll bet you it's one of the earliest models, because there are not that many of these around yet.
Where do I find the serial? Oh,
It'll be on the back. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out.
Look at this.
You're not going to tell everybody your serial number, though. Let's face it.
No, that's not what we want to do. Even I know that.
All right, so...
How good is this? So we've got... pushes out here. Oh, different box than the last time.
Yeah.
Alrighty, look at this. Through here. Oh wow, look at this, is sweet. What do we get? Free headphones, pod mic.
No, you don't get free headphones. Like a compatible list. Man, if you really wish it.
Here? Oh, wow, big box for a cord. Alright. Wow, look at this.
There it is.
Slightly smaller than the original.
Does it weigh any more or less? What's the
I
same?
don't remember.
Yeah, okay.
Wow, that looks pretty schmick, doesn't it?
Yeah.
All the bits and pieces at the back. You're probably more equipped to do a product review on this.
Oh, yeah. We'll be playing around with it, figuring out what the settings are like.
Let's see what's in the second box. All right, so we've got that. Our RodeCaster.
I hope you're not disappointed with what's in the second box.
Well, let's find out. Let's find out. Alrighty. Try not to damage my fingers.
Well, the contents.
I'll tell you what, you've got to love online delivery stuff. It's so quick. So quick. Whoa. Look at this. There's more rubbish for Mark to clean up.
Is that another RodeCaster?
This is the slimline version.
It's the slimline version, is it? Okay.
The slimline version of the RodeCaster. Now, how do we open this?
Yeah, you think you're gonna have to slide? You're gonna have to slice the end bit, I think.
Oh no! All right. Here, we'll go here.
You're not gonna do that, are you?
What do you want? Oh, resale value or something?
Oh my goodness! Isn't there?
Not that I can see. So. Oh, here. Oh, here.
There you go. See?
I know how
Some
to open
people's
boxes.
kids. All right, there you go. And there's the cover.
Hey. Special RodeCasterPro 2 cover.
There you go.
Wow.
That'll keep it
Little quality, isn't it?
and you know what that's for? It's that cat of yours that's going to be all over it. It's going to...
I was going to say, we'll be using it so much we won't have time to get dust on it, but
nah.
It's cat hair, you're absolutely right.
Yeah.
All right, so we've got the RodeCaster 2 cover and the new RodeCaster 2. This is mine and Mark's baby. How good is this?
Yeah, how's that? Cool. That's
Awesome.
going to hopefully sounds a lot better than the old model. I think it'll be much better.
Well, I hope so. It's a bloody upgrade. We paid more for it. So.
Yeah, there you go.
Alrighty.
Super. Alrighty.
See you guys.